Hello all. Today we are going to change out this kitchen faucet with the side sprayer. The problem that I am facing is that the side sprayer does not work. In addition, it's leaking where the sprayer hose connects to the faucet, and we don't want that. So we're going to take this thing out, put a new one in, and hope it works out for the best. Now keep in mind I never did this before, so let's have some fun. Let's go. All we need for this task is some silicone or plumber's putty, a basin wrench, and a sharp knife. Here is my new semi-sexy Glacier Bay stainless steel 209442 faucet with the side spray. I got this from Home Depot for about 80 bucks. And again, I needed this in a crunch. I needed this like ASAP. I'm going to remodel my kitchen ultimately, so I didn't really need anything fancy. So this seems on point. Here's the faucet. And this thing has some weight. It feels strong. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. So I like that. That's just pretty nice. Put that down nice and easy. Then we have the side spray assembly. And this even has a little bit of weight to it. It's not that light. I thought it was going to be lighter. But it feels good. This seems like a solid faucet. But then we have the side spray hose, which connects the side sprayer to the faucet. Okay. And last but not least, we have this. I don't even want to call this damn thing a manual. This is garbage. It only shows you the parts, doesn't really show you how to actually install this, and no, it's worthless. We don't need it. First, we want to turn off all the water into our entire house, or turn the water off from under the sink before we even do anything. To start, we're going to use our basin wrench to loosen up these nuts on the hot and cold water supply lines. And then you're going to finish it off with your hand. And also you can see that water dripping. This is really why I'm replacing it, and I do not want that in my mouth. However, after we take the water supply lines out, you're going to unscrew the sprayer base washer with your hands. And again, with your hand, you're going to unscrew the hot and cold water handle washers. Once you remove the washers and the supply lines, you're just going to lift up on the faucet, pull it right out. Not bad, huh? We did that. We did that. It's pretty easy. Who needs a plumber when you have the amateur's amateur? However, we're going to cut off the supply line because, not the supply line, but the water spray hose, because we do not need it. We don't want it. These scissors suck, so that's why I said use a sharp knife. And listen, this knife is a beast. So let's get that 1, 2, 3, and gotcha, you mother. See? Here it is. We did that. And half our battle is won. We got the sucker out. We didn't get no drippy drip water in our mouth, and we feel good about this, right? I know I do. So get out of here. We want to clean up this good, get a nice clean area. Here we go. Nice and clean. Clean, clean, clean. We can proceed. Next, we are going to install the new side sprayer base. We'll first unscrew this washer. And then we want to ensure that the base is fully screwed into this black dinghy. Let's get that nice and tight in there. Now, this goes in here like that. And then this washer, you go underneath the sink. And then you hand screw it in as tight as you can. It's pretty simple. But first, I want to apply some of that silicone to the bottom of this base. I'm not sure if I really need to do this part. I'm an amateur, so don't kill me in the comments, but I put it there. Why not? And then all you have to do is put it in, go up under that sink, and screw her in. Like that. Pretty easy, right? I mean, again, who needs a plumber? Next, we want to attach the sprayer hose nozzle by screwing it on tightly to the sprayer hose itself. Basically, this piece connects up to here. When you press that button for the sprayer hose, the water stops on the faucet. And that's pretty much all it is. But you snake this down and snake it up through this middle hole right here. Easy, right? Couldn't get the camera under there, but here you go. It's up there. However, the next step, I want to apply some silicone to the faucet base plate. And again, I'm not sure if I need to do this with these new faucets. However, I did it anyway. But, you know, hey, I'm an amateur who does amateur type things. So don't kill me in the comments. Also, there's this little orange cap on the bottom of the in the faucet that you have to take off. I should have pointed it out, but I didn't. But you'll see me take it off. There's a little orange cap at the bottom of the faucet that you need to take off before you attach the hose to it. This guy right here, I didn't get a good view of that, but that was it. It was real simple. It comes right out. And I got some silicone on this, so I'll wipe that off. And then just connect the sprayer hose to the faucet. Just like that. It just clicks right in. Clickety click. Done. Now, honestly, I should have kept that base plate down and lined it up, but I didn't, so. Amateur things. Yeah, amateur rookie mistake, but next time I know not to do that. But anyway, that's it. Put it in, and you're good. Next, you want to get up under the sink and hand screw these washers to the hot and cold water handles. The exact same way we did with the sprayer hose base. And just get them nice and tight with our hand. We don't need any tools. Once we do that, then we want to hand screw the hot and cold water supply lines until you can't screw them any tighter with your hands. I already did the hot. This is the cold. Was struggling a little bit here with the camera, but it is what it is. Just wanted to show you. I gave up. But once you get it in, then you want to tighten it up with the basin wrench. And it was so hard to do this with the camera, but at least I wanted to show you how the basin wrench works if you don't know. Once that's done, then, you know, I want to wipe off some of this or all of this excess silicone. And now be sure you let the silicone dry for at least 24 hours before you even like actually use this faucet to start washing dishes and stuff. You're probably gonna get some leakage, maybe. But here we are. It's nice and clean. And you know, we did it. The new faucet's installed. My work area, like I said, is nice and clean. All the components here seem nice and snug. I'm strong like bull. Now, let's turn this water on and see if the sucker works. Now, after you turn water back onto the sink, you want to unscrew this cap off of the faucet. Comes right off. Then you want to turn both your hot and your cold water on full blast and let both of them run for about a minute so you can flush out the faucet. Once done, put the cap back on. And you guys saw it. I saw it. I felt it. It works. Hot was hot. Cold was cold. Felt good. But get this on nice and tight. And then again, turn both the hot and cold water on. And now you want to flush out your spray hose. And do this for about a minute. So flushes this out and boom. Oh yes. Look at that. She is working lovely. And that's it, guys. I mean, we did it. So let's recap. We successfully removed our old shitty faucet, replaced it with this new semi-sexy functioning faucet. And the best part is we did all this without having to pay a plumber a red cent. The cost of this project was only $80, which was the cost of the faucet. So for me, that's not bad, huh? And with that being said, I am the amateur's amateur. This is If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. I hope this video was informative and thank you very, very much for viewing.